Hello everybody, I'm Tony Fonta and today I'm going to show you how to cook a nice steak. It's actually two steaks, some sweet potato, purple yam. I forgot to get some onion, so no onion today. I got garlic, uh, oh, and I also have got the peppers and some more garlic, and there's some jalapeno pepper. Always want a little bit of spicy stuff in there. It's important to have a little bit of spice in your system. There's some broccoli, and that's gonna be a little bit for later. And this is a snack food from yesterday. Ta-da-na-na. Well, it's not perfect. I kind of messed it up, but I forgot to put bacon into my steak dinner. And today I put Worcester sauce. Usually I forget to put Worcester sauce, but anyways, I know you want to see what the big thing is here. Let me turn on another light here. Okay, can you see that big black thing? That's my new Dutch oven, and I'm gonna open it up. Okay, there's the setup. It's like a little portable gas thing. See, I'll turn up the flame. Oops! Oh, something went wrong. Oh, jeez. Oh, the gas ran out. I have to refill, change the gas. Okay, no problem. It's a good thing. It's a good thing this is happening. Okay, so there it is. You see, it's got two handles, one for the top, one for the bottom. Look how deep this thing is. It's like 4 fingers deep. I mean, I could probably put about 6 steaks in there and just cook it one time. And there it is. Oh, it's hot. That baby's hot. Oh. And that's just on low heat. Okay, let's try. It's a little bit heavy. Look at all the water coming down. That's that orange stuff. That's sweet potato. I got some carrot in there. That greenish stuff. That's the broccoli stem, or whatever it's called. Okay, let's take a look at this beast. Look. Okay, what I first did is I fried the meat on one side. See, look at that beautiful bone. That bone is gonna give me so much flavor. Oh, I got no mushrooms today. What? Oh, that's purple yam. There's another piece of garlic. I like garlic a lot, so it kind of keeps me healthy. I'm just wondering if I should. One of the steaks I had to cut. I couldn't fit them side by side. So that's kind of brown on that side. You know what? I'll flip it this way. Hold on. Flip it this way. Just give a little push. This can. I gotta check the tenderness. I gotta check the tenderness on these fruits. Oh, this one's not. Yeah. The sweet potato is kind of ready. I don't want to overcook the sweet potato. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull out the sweet potato before it gets overcooked. And the purple yams are pretty good too. That's your purple yam. This gives the food a nice color. It's just incredible. Maybe the purple yam can probably stay another 5-10 minutes. Yeah, this is soft. That's a carrot. The carrot didn't cook as fast. Okay, the purple yam. You know what? I'll push the purple yam into the cold corner, and that bone. I want that bone to be. Anyways, there's another huge piece of meat down here. It's a big steak. It's like one of them. It's pretty cheap. It's only $15 at the superstore. It's not the best quality steak, but if you cook it like this, slow, kind of like braising style, your your meat will come nice and tender. And I wonder if I could just lift this. If I could just show you a little bit. That's the other one that's cut. I cut the meat off the bone. Anyways, you know what meat looks like. What the heck? Okay, so uh, and this Dutch oven, look how big it is. It's like, okay, so if my hand to right to the wrist area, you see it's one, and then the garlic is there, and I could kind of put like almost two hands across. You see, like, okay, how about if I do it like this? How about if I do it like that, like that? Can you got the idea how big it is? And it's like, and it's about this big. And it's about 4 fingers high. You see that? Yeah. Anyways, this thing with low heat, it's giving off, it's holding heat in there. I don't even need high heat. So I'm gonna pull out them sweet potatoes. I want the meat to tenderize. I make it nice and soft. This way I don't break my teeth, kind of thing. And I gotta change the gas. And then I think I'll let it cook for a nice 45 minutes, just with the meat to soften the meat. Yeah. Okay. So that's the plan. Since we're here, since I'm here, I'm just wondering where. Oh, 8 minutes and a half. Hold on. I want to show you this this new cast iron griddle I got. I haven't used it yet. So it's this little Victoria grill, and it's got the grill. It's only look how big it is. It's like that, and it's about like almost 2 hands, and then one hand the other way. And then, like, it's got the grilling side. You see them grilling thing there. And then on the other side, you can flip it. You can cook just griddle style. So it's a nice piece. Haven't used it yet. I also got to look at this cast iron thing. This is perfect for breakfast. You drop 2 eggs in there. It doesn't. It's the size of English toast bread, and I got this other griddle, but it's too big, and it's the same thing. It's got the grill on the other side. Got this other one, but it's kind of big. I got a few that. This one, it's kind of cool, but it's usually the food gets stuck in this one. I don't know why. I mean, it's not that hard to clean, but still gives a nice meal. Where's the camera here? Okay, I gotta pull out the sweet potatoes. Okay. Da, 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 da.